Mikey has his helmet on.
What's up, y'all? About to show y'all what Michael Somala could do. He's better than Tony Hawk. That's right. You see, Tony Hawk can't do stuff like this. You know?
Break her too.
I'm like the best of the best. Like probably like top 150. I'm like 150.
Well, you're dumb.
But it's alright. I'm gonna make it to the top. To the top. And you're gonna see me in the X Games. On the little scooter. Going up
The
ramps.
yellow scooter.
Or in the car seat. Is it a car seat? I don't know what it is, but yeah. Way better than Tony Hawk. I'm like, they ain't even about to come out with a video game about me. It's called Mikeys. Ray oh so fresh. The Millennium. Well, it's alright. Can I take off this helmet?
Oh my gosh.
When I take off the helmet, I don't know what to say, but I need the helmet so I can be able to speak. But yeah, that's right. X Games. Here I come.
Oh, see that? Whoa. That's what you call a very bored kid. What a dummy. And that's a wrap. That's Fat Whale over there.